Welcome back, folks. My name's Joe Doty, and today we're going to talk about suspension lifts. Suspension lifts are the dream of every kid and every guy adult that I know of that wants to have a nice looking lifted truck. Suspension lifts are started out basically for ground clearance. Hunters love to have suspension lifts because they can get off in there hunting and they can not get stuck. Kids love to do it because you get out there, do some mud bogging, having a good time, and it's all about fun. Now, there's a few options about a suspension lift, depending on your vehicle, depending on how high you want to go. A lot of variables. You're going to get different tire sizes. You're going to get different wheels and things that you're going to put on it. But basically, a suspension lift is lifting the entire vehicle off the ground, whether it be a 3-inch, a 4-inch, a 5-inch, a 6-inch suspension lift. That's going to be the choice of the consumer, and we will be able to go over any options that we can lead to as far as that goes. Now, the other sense of lift kits are a body lift. If you say you got one of these mall drivers that doesn't go off-road at all, that wants to look, wants the big tires, then we're going to do a body lift. The body lift is going to lift the body off the frame. The nice thing about the body lift is it does not change anything about the suspension. It doesn't change the ride. It doesn't change the dynamics of the vehicle. It also it doesn't change any steering issues or anything like that. So you're basically going to lift the vehicle up. You're going to be able to put those big, nice 33, 35-inch tires on it, and you're going to look awesome going down the road, but you're not going to change the ride at all. So those are the couple options on the lift kits. Truck and Car Concepts has been doing lift kits for 20, 25 years, and the biggest thing that you want to understand when doing a lift kit is you want it done right. At Truck and Car Concepts, we do it right the first time, and then what we do is we offer a guarantee of 1 year, and after 500 miles, we do a free, no-charge inspection. You bring your vehicle back to us, we go over every nut and bolt underneath on this lift kit so that you know that you're safe or your children are safe after they have a lift kit done. So come on out to Truck and Car Concepts, get yourself lifted up. Thanks again.